Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here from the Protocase team, and today we're going to do something just a little bit different this week, and we're going to be back with a regularly scheduled program of tech tips next week, we promise. So we recently announced a new division, Protomentum. What exactly is it, and what problems will it solve for product development? We're going to get into those questions and much more, so stay tuned. So are you sitting on an innovative product idea but unsure what to do next? Protomentum is the perfect partner to catapult your concept to a market success. From the drawing board to the hands of satisfied customers, we'll be with you every step of the way. So today, let me show you how Protomentum does this by going through each stage of a typical pre-launch product development cycle. So the product development process involves several key stages that take a concept from the initial idea to a market-ready product. Each stage plays a crucial role in ensuring that the product meets customer needs, complies with regulations, and achieves commercial success. So every groundbreaking product starts with a spark of imagination. This is where you come in. In this crucial phase, you'll have to complete deep market analysis, pinpoint customer needs, and sense out those trends that are going to give your product that wow factor compared to its alternatives. So is your idea viable? Focus on the technical, economic, and resource aspects to ensure that your product won't just be an idea, but a potential solution for a specific pain in the market. Once these few pieces of criteria are met, well then you are ready to work with Protomentum. This stage is essential for ensuring that the product meets customer expectations, functions as intended, and complies with regulatory requirements, and can be manufactured efficiently. Also, be sure that those three things are also clearly defined internally. So in this stage, you and your subject matter experts will work with our internal engineering and design services team to generate a 3D CAD model of your product that is manufacturable. Whether you come with us with a rough, unfinished CAD model, or if you're starting with a simple sketch idea, our team will work with you with minimal latency. Any sketch iterations, photos, lists of planned electronics or components, or any half CAD files that you have been developing so far will help our team greatly. Protomentum takes the hassle out of getting your design ideas transformed into manufacturable 3D models. Your first point of contact when you get in touch with us is going to be your account manager, who will take your initial request and get our engineering and design services team involved. Our team of experts will work with you and your team to create a detailed plan on how to take the concept and turn it into a manufacturable 3D model that will function as intended. Ultimately, this process will start with an initial conversation with your team to get a sense of your vision and that problem that you're looking to solve. Our team understands the specifications of our machinery and tooling and will combine that knowledge with your vision in order to end up with a finalized, fully functional product design that can be easily and efficiently manufactured for market. The important thing to note, we use a process called e-drawings review that allows you to inspect every critical aspect of your finalized model, including dimensions, placement of cutouts, and fasteners. Viewing and improving these design files before manufacturing will ensure that there's no surprises, as our manufacturing team will build exactly to the spec. So with our state-of-the-art facilities, we oversee the entire production process from material sourcing to final assembly, ensuring superior craftsmanship and timely delivery. This stage is where you really get to experience the magic of mass customization. Those who have been through successful product developments understand two things. A faster time to market lowers costs, and great products only happen after multiple iterations. The good news, Protomentum, through Protocase, has revolutionized manufacturing more than 20 years ago with a system that makes manufacturing extremely fast and very flexible. With a complete suite of in-house manufacturing stations that include laser cutting, machining, bending, painting, graphics, and assembly, everything to turn your idea into a tangible product happens all under one roof. We significantly cut the latencies that are normally present in the design-to-market process with a quick 2 to 3 day manufacturing lead time. We avoid any delays to ensure that you have the time to test multiple iterations of prototypes without losing any momentum. So once you're happy with your final product, our manufacturing process also includes skilled technicians that will integrate your electronics and components, if they are required for the product, into that sheet metal or machined housing that we just created. Our team adheres to rigorous quality control standards. all according to your specific instructions and documentation provided. This is the stage where you truly get to see your finished product come together with those last steps before it hits the market. So to sum this all up, how do we do this as Protomentum? In standard product development, latencies usually exist in all three major areas: design, manufacturing, and assembly. Protomentum tackles these issues directly by focusing on these three key things. Skill and guidance, which means you lead with your vision and we follow with our guidance, matched by unprecedented speed. Latency removal. With our expertise, we will keep the ball moving forward, ensuring that we are constantly moving your project forward. Integration. By combining design with manufacturing and assembly in a seamless workflow, we eliminated disjointed processes that introduced delays and coordination nightmares. So successfully navigating each stage of the product development process requires collaboration among cross-functional teams, clear communication, iterative refinement, and a customer-centric approach. Protomentum is the only vendor that you need by your side through this journey. So why did Protocase develop this new division? Because at Protocase, we strive to consistently revolutionize the way scientists and engineers get sheet metal and machined parts and enclosures by using the world's fastest custom manufacturer. Sometimes the only way to understand this is to experience it for yourself. So if you are ready to bring your idea to market faster than you ever thought was possible, contact the Protomentum team today by heading over to protomentum.com. Be sure to download the guide, which clearly walks you through the steps of design, manufacture, and assembly, and also allows you to understand our mass customization process. If you still have any questions, feel free to send us an email at info@protomentum.com. So thanks, and we'll be back again next week.